Hey guys, Mr. Overon here with Mr. Overon's Tarot Reading Services, and today I am out at a local park, and at this park there is a wonderful little stream that comes through it, and I thought that I would set up down there and just commune with nature. But here is the beautiful park. Native flora and fauna, and a Tibetan meditation bell. Fun stuff like that. There's the little river. As I stumble and almost fall to my death, because I'm watching through the camera screen, not what's actually happening in front of me. Big beautiful sword fern. Beautiful, tranquil, quiet. Now in the spring, this thing is completely flooded over, and salmon spawn in this river. Well, this creek anyways. But if you have nature like this that you can get out into, you don't always have to practice your magic in confined spaces. You know, come out to nature where you are surrounded by the energies, where you are surrounded by the god and goddesses. Like, even though this is a local park and you can hear like lawnmowers and stuff off in the background, you're still in that really kind of peaceful location where you can just take some time to just sit and relax and enjoy the universe and enjoy the bounties and the gifts that are all around you. And I brought myself a little thing of like sage and some other stuff to just light up and enjoy myself. So I'm going to dedicate today to just reconnecting with nature. I might even walk out into the water and like sit in it, or just let my feet dingle in it. Like, see, there's that really nice log bridge thing right there that would be good to sit in and just let your feet dingle. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And right now the sun is shining on me, which is good because we here in the Pacific Northwest, we are getting ready to go into winter, which means that dude is going to disappear for about 8 months. So anyways, as I get set up with my ritual supplies and stuff, I will be right back. So I had to pause the video for a minute because these two drunk hippie guys came walking up on me, and we got to talking and everything, and I got to communing with them about their lives and everything, and I stopped to think for a second. I'm like, what actually drove and motivated me to come out here today? And I think that maybe it was spirit or the universe or the gods way of saying that I needed to commune with these people. And so that's exactly what we did. We talked for a good 45 minutes, and they were just a bunch of good guys. So all I'm doing now is I'm just saging the area. Not that, this natural, beautiful, serene area needs to be saged or what have you, but just an offering. Just momentarily, I went to the river and I drew some blood, and I dropped a couple of drops into the river, just kind of like giving us offering of self. And I use one of these things. It's a lancet device for testing your blood sugar. So like most diabetics have these, and you just pull it back, and then there's a little needle inside. Gives you just the right amount of blood, just like a little prick. So anyways, this whole area is just teeming with energy right now, and so the whole point of this video is for you to really just think about the area that you live in. It could be a metropolis, or it could be out in the middle of the woods or something like that, but there's got to be some place where you can just go and disconnect from everyone and everything and just exist, where the energy is just nice and free flowing, and it just feels like a blessing to be there. So do that. That is your homework. You guys go out, just take a moment to commune with nature, connect with your higher power, whatever that may be, and just shut off your phone. Don't worry about anything, and just sit there and listen to the natural sounds of your environment. Find peace in the chaos. Just, take some time for yourself. You will be thankful that you did at the end of the day. You have no idea how easy your stress just melts away. You get into this state of like, fuck it, and you just like, when I'm out in nature, that's like the only time I feel that I'm able to breathe. I don't think about what's going on at home. I don't think about what's going on at work. I don't think about anything. I just come out, connect with nature, get my feet in the dirt, and just enjoy myself. So, that's it for this video, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell icon to be notified of whenever I upload a new video. If you would like a reading, please head over to mroveron.com, and if you would like to talk to me privately, you can send me an email, mroveron@gmail.com. And as always, I'll see you later, witches. Bye.